Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. This overview reflects my personal experience with the product. Today we are looking at SkyChoice.ca, a Canadian website offering a variety of travel options. SkyChoice appears to provide a platform for comparing flights, hotels, and rental cars, allowing users to potentially find the best deals for their travel needs. The website interface seems fairly straightforward, presenting a search bar prominently on the homepage for easy access to booking options. Navigating through the different tabs and filtering options, you can specify your travel dates, desired destination, and number of travelers. While I haven't personally booked through SkyChoice, the site's presentation suggests a comprehensive range of services. It's important to compare prices and options across multiple platforms to ensure you're getting the most value for your money, so using a site like SkyChoice alongside other travel aggregators could be beneficial. The design of the website is clean and uncluttered, making it easy to navigate and find the information you need. However, user reviews and experiences would offer a more complete picture of the platform's effectiveness and reliability. Further investigation is needed to fully assess SkyChoice customer service, booking process, and overall user satisfaction. Features like price alerts, flexible date searches, and package deals are often valuable tools for travelers, and it's worth exploring whether SkyChoice offers these functionalities. For anyone planning a trip within Canada or internationally, exploring various travel resources is essential. By comparing different platforms and considering all available options, travelers can make informed decisions and potentially save money. Remember to always double-check details and read the fine print before confirming any bookings. Researching customer reviews and ratings can also provide valuable insights into the quality of service and potential issues. Ultimately, finding the right travel booking platform often depends on individual preferences and specific travel needs. Hopefully, this brief overview of SkyChoice.ca gives you a starting point for your own research and helps you find the best travel deals available.